Ahead of Eid al-Azha, price of all kinds of spices has increased. It is reported that the price of cardamom has increased the most, increasing Taka 300. It is being sold by Taka 3,800 per kg. Apart from spices, price of all types of pulses and eggs have increased in Dhaka. Meanwhile, the price of lentils increased by 3 Taka per kg, and a dozen of eggs is being sold at Taka 160 and instead of 150 Taka. However, the price of rice in the markets of capital Dhaka has remained stable. In the meantime, the price of all types of chicken has decreased. Price of Sonali chicken has reduced by Taka 330 per kg and broiler chicken by Taka 20 per kg.
নগদে ৫০০ টাকা বা তার বেশি পেমেন্টে পেতে পারেন ঢাকায় জমিসহ ২০ কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।